In 1984, the eastern white pine became the official tree of Ontario. Found throughout the province, the tree was an important source of income and trade during Ontario's early days and represents the province's vast forests. Long before this, however, the white pine was chosen by the peacemaker as a symbol of the unity of the nations of the Haudenosaunee Confederacy. Its needles, which always grow in clusters of 5, are symbolic of the uniting of the nations. The white pine represents the peace that was established amongst the Haudenosaunee, who ended warfare amongst themselves and buried their weapons under the tree. The white pine is a continual reminder of the peace that was established, and that those seeking peace may find shelter under the leaves if they follow the great white roots. During the colonial treaty period, the Tree of Peace was often used as a metaphor in establishing peace between the Haudenosaunee and the European settlers, French, Dutch, and English. The directions and seeds were carefully packaged, so please watch to see where they are and how to start the seeds on their way. Remove the plastic lid, then carefully lift out the brown Jiffy pot, placing it aside. Inside the remaining cup, you will find a white packet of seeds and a paper with written instructions. Remove these. Place the Jiffy pot in the Ontario 150 cup. Open and review the instructions. Slowly pour about 80 milliliters, or 1/3 of a cup, of warm water over the pellet found in the Jiffy pot. Allow about 5 minutes for the peat pellet to fully expand. Fluff the peat with a pencil or fork until light and crumbly. Plant seeds about 6 millimeters deep into the peat soil. Put the lid back on the cup and put it in a warm place. Seeds will take 2 to 3 weeks to start growing. Check the cup often to be sure that soil is moist. As soon as seedlings appear, remove the lid and use as a pot saucer. Move the cup to a window that receives at least 6 hours of sun per day. Lightly water the new seedlings once per day. Further instructions regarding the care and transplant of the seedlings can be found on the instruction sheet provided with the Ontario 150 cup. Thank you for participating in the planting of the Ontario 150 white pines.